Welcome back to day 2 of our Confidence to Cash and 90-day sprint. And I just want to congratulate you on being here for day 2. I just want you to understand yesterday we talked about vision and consistency. And today we're going to dig into something that stops so many people from getting started. The belief that they have to be perfect. You do not have to be perfect. The truth is, clarity beats all of the perfection every time. Whenever I first started my digital space, I literally thought that I had to have it all figured out, that I could move forward maybe. You've thought the same thing. I'll start whenever I know more, whenever I have more followers, or whenever I feel ready. But the reality is, clarity doesn't come from waiting. Clarity comes from action. If you're ready to start and take action in what you're doing, every post that you make, every video that you record, every step that you take builds confidence and teaches you something. Perfection is a trap. It keeps you overthinking, it keeps you second guessing, and it's stuck in the same place all the time. But whenever you take small, imperfect steps and you go forward, you discover what really works. And that's where growth is. And that's where growth happens, my friends. So I encourage you, do it ugly. Just post. If you want to go back to the very beginning of whenever I started making videos, you will laugh. But you know what? I started and I did not start. I kept it going. This is what I really want you to do. I want you to do these 3 simple ways to put into practice today. Number 1, I want you to share your story. Even if it feels messy, just share your story. Just say, I'm starting something new. I'm nervous, but you know what? I'm doing it because I'm doing this for my family. The honesty is what connects with people. Number 2, show a behind the scenes snapshot of what you're doing. Take a quick, short little clip of watching training or doing writing in a planner or planning something new. People like to see your journey. Number 3 is post a quick tip. Share something that you learned today, because that comes with clarity of what you learned. And that action is something that you needed to take. So go post it. Post it right now and show them what you learned as far as a 1 sentence that could push somebody else. I want to tell you a pro tip in this one. There's so many people out there that need you. They need to see your confidence. They need to see you starting something. They need to see you. You have a story and you need to tell that. For the encouragement today, I really want you to remember this. Your progress is way more powerful than your perfection. The people who win in this sprint aren't the ones who've got it all figured out. They're the ones that show up consistently, even whenever it's messy. Every action that you take is building confidence for your customers and your cash. I want to challenge you here. Comment below 1 imperfect action that you're going to do today. Let's go cheer other people on and keep this moving forward. For day 2, I did a checklist of clarity over perfection. I will have it linked in my community. Come over and join me if you haven't yet. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss tomorrow's training, because day 3, it's going to be a game changer. I'll see you then.